In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes without a W-2 on TurboTax. Filing your taxes without a W-2 might seem daunting at first, but TurboTax makes the process manageable and straightforward. So let's walk through each step together, and by the end, you should feel confident tackling your taxes without that W-2 form. First, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the 2025 tax year. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and pretty simple. Just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, look for the Income section. This is your starting point for entering any income details, including any that you might need to report without a traditional W-2 form. Click on Income to get started. Now, you'll see an option titled Wages and Income Summary. Go ahead and click on that. This is where TurboTax allows you to add all of your income information, which is crucial if you're not using a W-2. Next, you'll want to locate the Wages and Salaries W-2 section. Here, you might typically enter details from a W-2, but since we're filing without it, you'll click on Revisit or Start if this is your first time entering this section. This is where you'll be able to input any other employment income you have. Now, you'll see an option to Work on my W-2. Even though you don't have a W-2, this section is still useful. Click on it. TurboTax will guide you through the steps to manually enter your income information. If you've received income documented in a different format, such as a 1099 form, this is where you'll input those details. After you've entered your income details, click on Continue. TurboTax is designed to help you through every step, so it will prompt you for any additional information it needs to accurately file your taxes. Follow these instructions carefully. Remember, TurboTax provides helpful hints and instructions along the way, so if you're ever unsure about a particular step, take a moment to read any on-screen advice. It's there to ensure you don't miss anything important. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to filing your taxes without a W-2 using TurboTax. Take your time with each section, double-check your entries, and don't hesitate to use TurboTax's resources if you need further assistance. Filing taxes can be a complex process, but with the right tools and guidance, you can handle it with ease. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing.